Good afternoon, guys. It is a little bit before 1 o'clock, and I have separated some bags. I've started cleaning out the closet. These are clothes that I wanted to give to Goodwill, but I think I'm actually gonna see if there is anyone that knows of a child that can just take these clothes away, someone really in need, and that way I won't give it to Goodwill and then make people pay for it again. I would rather just go to someone that actually needs it. So I need to do that. We have some clothes to also give away to Goodwill, and I'm gonna try to drop that off today or either later tonight. So don't freak out, but this is the current status of my closet. I've been folding things, putting things away, and you know when you're cleaning, things look worse before they actually look better. So I just need to do a few things. Organize shoes. I need to clean that backpack because it's really dirty right now, but that's a very good backpack, so I want to wash it and keep it. I don't want to throw it out. Marley's things need to go to her closet. She loves to collect things, even things that she can't wear. She can't wear those rain boots, so I'll try to give those away. Her art kit, book bag, just stuff that I need to put up and square away. And then you guys, I'm going to show you this, but it's so embarrassing. Okay, so look at this. I need to clean this so bad and organize it. Like the only side that is partially like organized is like this side here, because I actually need to keep all this stuff. I just need to organize it a little better. These are some envelopes that I'm not gonna throw away. Stuff from my old publishing job where I worked at a magazine company. Some of that stuff can actually go away too. I have a lot of clothes that I need to hang up. As you can see, I have hardly no clothes here. It's a lot in the laundry basket and in the dryer still. So I just need to go through a lot of these clothes. I'm in the process of trying to transfer Marley's clothes to her closet. I'm not kicking her out of my room, but I just feel like I want her to grow up a little bit and feel nice with her own stuff. So some stuff I'll keep in here just so she can feel like she's still, you know, in my room. But for the most part, I want her to have her own closet because her closet is pretty big. So it definitely can be moved there. All right, real quick, me and my daughter are gonna head out to get something for lunch. We want a salad, so I'm just gonna switch these purses over because I'm tired of looking around this big old purse for nothing. Normally I use it as like a briefcase for client meetings and things, but like now it's just getting to be a hassle. So I'm gonna switch these real quick and then we'll head shopping. I always forget to bring these bags, so hopefully I won't leave them in the car this time, and we cannot use, we won't be using the plastic bags at Walmart. So I'm just gonna bring these two small ones since I don't plan on having like a really big shopping trip. We just plan on getting things for this salad, and I think it all should fit in here, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know. All right, so we finally got our car washed. It has been a week now since it's been washed, but I still think it looks good. I had so many stains down here at the bottom because I'll be pouring water and coffee out of the window, but I didn't realize that it wasn't actually just going like onto the ground. It was just getting stuck to my car. So now that the outside is clean, it's time for me to get to work on the inside. So I'll probably do a whole different vlog, like clean my car out with me or something like that, because it probably will take all day to get everything out. Not necessarily the inside, but yeah, my trunk is filled with party stuff from different baby showers and parties and things like that. I have clothes, shoes, and just a whole bunch in my trunk. So hopefully we'll be able to get that out as well. All right, so we just made it home, and the majority of the groceries actually were able to fit into these bags. We just had a bag of chips and some Hi-C packs, two of these that didn't fit. So we just ran up the stairs because it's so hot outside, but I thought this was really good. We used two of these. Oh, we did end up having to put a few things into one plastic bag. So we used one plastic bag today, and that's it. I woke up and washed dishes this morning in the dishwasher. So we will not be using any regular dishes until probably dinner tonight. And I'm gonna have some chicken on the side. I'll probably cut it up and put it on over here. But I'm so hungry, I didn't even take time to cut up the onions or the cucumber and stuff. I really wanna eat now. So this is what we're gonna have. Okay. Oh, that's a cute little dress. Oh, those are cute little joggers. Some little shorts. Those are not as long as what I thought they were gonna be anyway. Or maybe that's not the one. We'll see. Okay, some little shorts. Cute. I think those are shirts. We got 3 different shirts. What's that? Just a plain black one? Plain pink. I think that's cute. And then that one has something on it, I think. Just says hello. I like that. Okay. So that's all your stuff. Okay, so I usually get a receipt with everything, but this time I don't have a receipt with my order, which is kind of weird. I mean, from the ordering, I ordered these online, of course, so I'm sure I can still find it, but I normally like to have a paper receipt just in case something doesn't fit right. I can take it back. So I don't know. Hopefully everything will fit to where I don't have to worry about that anyway. All right, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm starting to get a migraine, so I don't think we're gonna go to the event that I was gonna go to tonight to watch my nephew race in the 4-wheeler race. So I'm just gonna show you these nails that I did tonight, just trying something new. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, even though it was super short. I'll see you guys later.